Okay, friends, right here, that made no sense. Here is the inner cowl for the 67 C10 Chevrolet C10 cab, which is right there. Of course, the cab is upside down. This is the inner cowl. I only removed it because it was just so rotted out. I'm going to get to the real bad area in just a moment. This end I'm going to have to change, cut that out and put new metal in there. But let's scan down here, slide down. And that light from my DeWalt light is really blinking quite a bit. It's showing up blinking in the camera, but to the natural eye it doesn't appear to be. There's a new piece put in place. Here's the old one where it was. It was roughly right about there. And you can see all the area that rotted out, just how badly rusted it was, and it just let all the water go right inside the cab. Straight in there. So this piece now has been readied to go in place. I'm going to go ahead and weld this in. Butt welding it. So I have to push that down a little bit right where the magnet is, just to bring that metal down a bit. It's a little too high on the left side of the magnet. Yep. I've also want to migrate over and show you black and yellow. I have migrated heavily over to the DeWalt family of tools, battery powered tools, 20 and 12 volt series of tools. Being able to spend several hours at Lowe's in a little part-time job for about a year now has afforded me the opportunity to get deals, display models that are being taken off when the MST folks come in and redo the tool displays. You know, some of the tools that are removed, I see them, I'm able to grab them and buy them at a very significant discount. Also, some of the sales that DeWalt has on buy one get one free type of a deal, I've been able to take advantage of that. And I will say this, I am very much now a firm believer in battery powered tools. I was always hesitant to embrace this just because I don't know why. I don't know why I was hesitant to embrace battery powered tools, but after replacing numerous extension cords and extension cord ends and having them running all over the floor, stepping on them, I am 100% on board with battery powered tools. 100%. Now, I was able to buy this light for nothing. Get it for nothing because I bought this 5 amp hour power stack battery and its charger. Got so many chargers now, but you buy that and the charger as one kit, and then you can choose from multiple tools. The only tool I really needed was this light, so I bought that, and it's extraordinarily handy. There's no cords, you can move it around, and I've got more DeWalt stuff down there. One of the deals I want to share with you on these grinders, this grinder right here is their newest model, and it works perform protect. Apparently there's a computer chip in that grinder that senses the 8 amp hour battery, and it gives the grinder full power full power because it has a good, healthy battery source. It doesn't give you full power on the smaller ones, the 5 amp hour ones, or even the 2 amp hour ones, of course, but it's just really awesome stuff. So let me go ahead and just capture maybe a bit of me welding on that, and I'll be back in a moment, set up and ready to go. Okay, here we go with just not too long of welding, but just some welding. Okay, that'll cover just the initial welding, the initial butt welding. Cover that down. Now I'll remove all those clamps, grind these welds down, and just slowly work my way around, putting heat on the back side so it'll pull that panel back that way instead of pulling it this way, because you weld on the face, it'll pull that panel back up like that. So there it is. Juice.